Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been so long. I've had a few things going on with the family that have got in the way of working with the car, and I've been trying to do the Gearbox for drag racing meet that we've got coming up next Monday. So it's all been a complete rush to get it done in time, but I will show you what I've done. I've got a few clips to show you of me drag racing the Seat as well to show you, so I'll show you them, but let's show you over the car first of all, quickly. Okay, so visually underneath here, not much has changed really. You can see that is the new gearbox. Start mode's up there now, whereas it was down there. Complete new arms. It's got a new gear linkage and stuff like that underneath. Visually at the front looks no different. Underneath I've got a rather large oil leak from there, as you might have just seen it drip actually. Coming from the drive shaft still, so that needs to be changed before I drive it. But yeah, overall, relatively simple swap to do, and this box is good for sort of 300-400 horsepower, so it should be perfectly fine. Give it all a good clean up in here before I go to race. But yeah, other than that, the gearbox is in. It's pretty much ready to go. A few other bits need to do, but we can almost get on the road now, and I can see what the gear ratios are like, so should be all good. But a few weeks ago I took the Cupra up to Santa Pod for a fast show, and I took it down the strip just because it was quiet, and it seemed like the right thing to do. So I'll show you a few clips of that now. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, you join me today in the seat of my Cupra. I'm actually in the pairing lanes at Santa Pod fast show. Now I'm not too sure who watched my last video. I did say I was going to come up in the Metro and race that, but I bring it back from storage yesterday and the clutch was slipping, so there's no point in me coming up here for 2 hours to get on track and then for it to slip the clutch. So it's completely pointless. So I've taken the next best step, which is to give the Cupra a bit of a go down the quarter mile, see what she runs. I'm not actually too sure what these run stand anyway, but it's got like a tuning box and an air filter on it, so it might make a little bit of difference, but hey, who knows. Just be interesting to see what goes on really. I'm interested to see if it puts in a good time. The tyres are pretty rubbish, Continental Contact Sport 5s or something. Yeah, they're pretty naff, so that's going to be interesting to get the traction down, but I think it'll be good fun, be a good laugh. I'm sure the car will be fine, hopefully, fingers crossed. So just on lunch break at the moment. When they're back, we'll get on track and I'll get some footage of me racing down there, so let's see how we get on.
I'm going to shout out to Barry with the flabby out of the orange wheels, 2 skinners on It's a helmet with nagging to come and race in the Volkswagen Drag Racing Club. That's what I fully expect.